we have something special. We have Memphis BBQ Company, John David Wheeler, multiple grand champion, world champion. He's gonna share a recipe with us.
We're gonna do one of these puppies today.
Oh, look at that.
Tomahawk Ribeye. We're gonna start with this, and we've done this step 2 ways. We did what's called a reverse sear. We took the green mountain, this one, that's set at 200 degrees, and this one, it's set at 200 degrees, and we're smoking it right now. And use a cooking oil, don't use a real expensive olive oil. Olive oil has a flash rate that's less than cooking oil, like a fry oil almost. My plan was, and the way I always do mine, is to use salt, just kosher salt, crushed pepper, and then granulated garlic. You know, this grill's at 500 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna cook it fast. It's gonna sear it when it hits the grill. So at 500 degrees, it's not gonna take long to cook this. We're looking for about 124, which is a perfect medium rare. The only problem with cooking this piece of meat, you can't drink enough beer during the cooking process. So I recommend you get about a 12 pack in you before you start to do this.
Come on over. We're going to be doing samples here. If you want to eat, you got to get close.